Hello guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free BNB coin directly to your faucetpay account, and when you reach the minimum of faucetpay you are going to be sending your earnings directly to your Trustwallet account. And if you don't know how to withdraw your earnings from your faucetpay account to your Trustwallet, I'm going to be leaving a link to the video in which I explain step by step on how to do that in the description box below. So guys, to start this video and to know how to earn on this site, please and please make sure to watch this video till the end. So guys, welcome back. So guys, this is the site which I'm going to be showing you today, and the link to this site is going to be left in the description box below. Now when you click on the link in the description box below, you are going to be seeing this over here. As you can see, for this faucet it requires a faucetpay account, so you need to have a faucetpay account, and we're going to be claiming up to 96 satoshi every 5 minutes. So guys, as you can see over here, this space over here would be blank if it is your first time. So all you need to do is to input your faucetpay email address, the email address in which you use in registering your faucetpay account. So you're going to be inputting it over here, and after that is done, you scroll down and tap on the login/register button, which is over here. Now when you tap on it, you're going to be, you click on OK. As you can see over here, all you need to do is to click on the claim faucet, which is over here. Now when you click on claim faucet, you're going to be doing some captchas. You're going to be solving some captchas over here, which are big, orange, black, yellow. So after that is that you tap on and click I'm not a robot to verify that you are human and not a robot. So guys, after your verification is done, you come down here and click on verify. Now when you click on verify, your earnings are going to be sent. Okay, earnings are going to be sent, but before that you need to verify your email. Now first of all, verify that you're not a robot so that the code will be sent to your email address. So click on send code. Now when you click on send code, as you can see over here, activation email has been resent to my email. Also check spam or junk box if you were not able to find. So I'm going to be heading to my email account right now. So guys, this is the verification link over here, and I'm going to be verifying my email by tapping on the link to verify my email address. So guys, as you can see, it says your email has been successfully confirmed, you may now log in. So guys, I have successfully verified my email address. So all that is needed is to come over this place, the three lines, the top right corner of your screen, then you tap on faucet, and for the purpose of this video is the BNB. So you come over here, as you can see, tap on Binance Coin Faucet, and all that is needed to do is to repeat the action in which I just showed you earlier. So guys, as you can see, I have to wait for 2 minutes more to end. So guys, the first one which I showed you earlier, it has already entered my faucetpay. So I'm going to be going to my faucetpay account to see if my earnings actually arrived before we did the verification, because after the verification our earnings was sent to our faucetpay account. So guys, the earnings have not arrived, so after the verification we have to wait for this to finish counting, and we're going to be earning our crypto. So guys, after the timer finish counting, all we need to do is to refresh to claim again. And when you click on refresh to claim again, we're going to be reclaiming this and just following the step which I have showed earlier by clicking on claim faucet, then complete this captcha over here. Yellow. Then you verify you are not a robot. So after that is done, you click on verify, which is over here. And as you can see, guys, our earnings has finally been sent to our wallet. As you can see, our claim of 96 Satoshi of BNB have been sent to our faucetpay account. So I'm going to be heading to my faucetpay now again to see if it has actually arrived. So guys, as you can see over here, our earnings has finally arrived. 96 Satoshi of BNB has actually arrived. So guys, this is how you can earn from this site to your faucetpay account. And if you don't know how to send your earnings to your Trust wallet, a link to the video where I explained everything step by step is going to be left in the description box below. So guys, after this is done, to also earn, all you need to do is you can refer your friends. You can refer your friends by tapping on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Then you go ahead and click on affiliate program. And when you click on affiliate program, there you are going to be seeing your referral link. As you can see over here, this is my referral link, and I'm going to be earning 40% referral commission from my referrals. So guys, when you share your referral links, your referrals are also going to be earning, and as they are earning, you are also earning 40% commission from them. So guys, this is how you can earn from this site. And also, if you like this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified on it. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.